So we can see that we are up and running in this girls under 10 4x2 heat 1. So we've got some great changes that are taking place right now and looking very comfortable by all the runners. So it does look like a great run by all the young ladies, but it does certainly look like the athlete there from Box Hill, who's coming through and going to change in first. Box Hill in first, and it does look like Bendigo in second position there, with followed closely by the rest of the athletes, but Box Hill giving a great run right now. So we see Box Hill is doing really well right now and running pretty hard, coming into the first lane, looking very comfortable and sitting pretty happy, giving themselves about a 6 or 7 or 10 or 12 metre lead there. But Bendigo looks like they're going to come through and want to pick up in second position. So Bendigo have changed in second. Fantastic to see this team coming in from Bendigo. We hope to see them lots more, but Box Hill is definitely going to take out the line honours here in the first. Great run there by these young athletes. Fantastic run by Box Hill, with Bendigo coming into second position, followed very closely by Werribee. Great run by all.